Why option trade alerts are becoming every investor's best-kept secret. In today's fast-paced and ever-changing financial markets, staying ahead of the game is crucial for successful trading. One way to gain a competitive edge is through option trade alerts, which provide timely and valuable information about potential trading opportunities. Whether you are an experienced trader looking to diversify your portfolio or a novice investor seeking guidance, option trade alerts can help navigate the complexities of options trading by delivering real-time notifications about market trends, price movements, and potential profit-making trades. Option trade alerts are designed to assist traders in making informed decisions by alerting them to potentially lucrative options contracts that meet specific criteria. These alerts can be tailored to individual preferences such as risk tolerance, investment goals, and trading strategies. What are option trade alerts? Option trade alerts are a valuable tool for investors looking to stay informed and make strategic decisions in the stock market. These alerts provide timely notifications about potential trading opportunities, allowing traders to take advantage of market movements and maximize their profits. Option trade alerts can be received through various channels such as email, SMS, or even mobile apps, ensuring that investors never miss out on important information. When traders sign up for option trade alerts, they receive real-time updates on potential trades based on specific criteria or trading strategies. These criteria may include factors such as price movements, volume trends, or technical indicators. By receiving these alerts promptly, traders have the opportunity to evaluate the suggested trades and make informed decisions in a timely manner. Option trade alerts are particularly useful for those who do not have the time or expertise to constantly monitor the market themselves. Option trade alerts are quickly gaining popularity among investors and traders, thanks to the numerous benefits they offer. One of the key advantages of using option trade alerts is that they provide timely and accurate information about potential trading opportunities. These alerts are typically generated by experienced professionals or advanced algorithms that scan the market for specific criteria such as volatility, breakout patterns, or unusual options activity. By receiving these alerts, traders can stay updated on market trends and make informed decisions based on real-time data. Furthermore, option trade alerts can help traders save valuable time and effort in conducting research and analysis. Instead of spending hours studying charts, news articles, and financial reports, traders can rely on these alerts to highlight potential opportunities worth considering. This allows them to focus more on executing trades rather than wasting time gathering information. Additionally, option trade alerts often come with detailed analysis and recommendations from experts who have extensive knowledge in the field. For option trade alerts and more training, visit the link in the description.